Hey guys, welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric and this is
Candace.
And we're here today to talk to you about a milestone we just reached. We actually hit 400 subscribers just the other day, and I was kind of letting it soak in a little bit here on YouTube because you know how YouTube likes to drop a few and add a few. So we've actually stuck at 400 here for a few days now, and we just wanted to express our gratitude towards all of our subscribers, everybody out there that's following us. We really appreciate it. When we started this whole thing, neither one of us would have thought that we would have had 400 people that enjoyed our content and followed along and watched us do all the crazy things we do here at Gagne Farms. So, you know, we just wanted to kind of say thank you, and it really means a lot to us. So we appreciate it. And I don't know, what do you got to say, Candace? Anything cool?
Thank you everybody out there. We're so excited to have 400 subscribers. This has been a great fun adventure, and it's awesome to share it with all of you.
We've had a nice little stretch of warm weather here lately, and we've been real busy doing our yard work and our yard prep for getting everything ready for winter around here. So living in the woods has its advantages. It's nice and cool in the summer, and there's, you know, lots of shade, but in the fall, oh boy, there's lots of leaves to pick up. So we have been doing that. We actually got a little fire going back there right now, just getting rid of some leaves, getting everything done up around the house. We got the gutters cleaned today, which, you know, I could make a YouTube video out of that, but that's kind of dumb. So
So we didn't.
So I didn't.
Eric's been working in the garden, getting it all cleaned up and prepped for winter.
Let's go take a look. Come on, Candace. Yep, we've been doing some garden prep and getting everything pulled up. Our raised beds are getting cleaned up. Ooh, got a good question for y'all. First year with these big raised beds for us.
How to get rid of the mice.
Yeah. For whatever reason, the mice are just loving it. Is there something you guys put on special that's you know, non-toxic? Because I don't want anything to eat the dead mouse and die or something. So if you guys got something for us, a good suggestion, you know, holler back and let us know, because we'd really appreciate it. It's a new problem and we'll come up with a solution eventually. But we got all our tomatoes ripped out, we got all of our other veggies here ripped out, and I got to do a little bit more prep with the fencing, but yeah, it's looking good. So this is something cool too, is kind of why I planned the garden right next to the chicken coop, or the chicken coop next to the garden actually, is I can put all of our waste from the garden right in the chicken coop, and these chickens have been eating that for days now, so they love it. They get the extra proteins from it. We got our chicken coop cleaned out as well. We have to do that on warm days, and our weather's changing. We've got about another week and we are going to have some accumulating snow, so we need to get all of our winterization things done right now this week. Oh, and by the way, time change was last night, so might as well scratch that little hour off the end of the day when you get home from work to be able to do things as well. And I got our compost all done up. You guys got to check this out. This is the heart and soul of our garden right here. I got three yards of compost ready to go. Most of that pile right there is done. I just threw some newer stuff on top of it, and this will compost down all winter, and I think this is 3 times the amount of compost that we had from last year. So I put about a full yard on last year. Our garden took off, did the best ever. So I'm guessing with 3 times that amount, plus whatever we can compost throughout the winter, we're gonna have a magnificent garden this year.
We are so excited about 400 subscribers that we are looking ahead to 500 subscribers. We're going to do a 500 subscriber giveaway.
Yeah, you guys watch for videos to follow here in the next week or so, and we're going to give you guys some details on how to become that lucky winner. Well, that's just a few of the things we've been doing around here at Gagne Farms the last few weeks. So along with hunting season and holidays, it's It's been a busy time of year for us, but we've got lots of cool videos coming up for you guys in the near future. Candace has been working real hard on her Chicken Mama channel, so if you guys haven't seen that yet, jump on over to Chicken Mama of Gagne Farms and check that out for us. All right, guys, thanks for following along. We'll catch you on the next one.